functions and their operations practice work evens. So number 2, let's see. We're going to add the h of 5 wherever I see an x. Well, here's my h function. X minus 1, wherever I see an x, I put in 5. The g of x, let's see, we're going to add these. The g of x is x cubed plus 3 times x. So my x is 5. Okay. 5 cubed is 125. 3 times 5, 15. Here, nothing to do. Minus 1 plus. Okay, 5 minus 1 is 4. Plus 125 is 129. Plus 15 is 138. That, my friends, is the answer to number 2. Number 4. This time we do not have to evaluate. We just take our functions and add them together. G of x is x squared plus 5x. We're going to add to it the h of x, which is 2x minus 1. Nothing to distribute, nothing to do here but combine like terms. You have x squared plus 5x plus 2x is plus 7x minus 1. Yes, ma'am. Did I screw it up? What is it? 144. I told you it was 144. You guys didn't listen to me. Yeah, pay attention, guys. All right, number 6. I have to evaluate because I have values for x. See, the h of x, and my x is 3. So 4 parentheses minus 5. We're subtracting, so I need parentheses around the quantity. And my g of 3, so I have 3 parentheses minus 1, and my x's were what? 3 for h and 3 for g. Okay, 4 times 3, 12 minus 5. Let's see, 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8, so I have minus 8. So 12 minus 13. Negative 1. Did you guys get this right? Put the. Well, that's what happens when you don't do parentheses, is that you make easy mistakes. And you guys are just, you don't like to do things the long way. Or you just guess.
I guess like all of them. I tried it, but I don't know if it was right.
Well, at least you tried. Get an F for effort. Okay, G of x. We do not have values, so let's just subtract them. G of x is 2x minus 1. We're subtracting, so we need parentheses. And the h of x, 3x plus 4. We have to distribute this one. So I get 2x minus 1 minus 3x minus 4. Combine like terms. 2x minus 3x is minus 1x. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. Okay, number 10. This time we're multiplying and evaluating. So, multiplying, I'm just going to put parentheses here for multiplication. The f of 1, let's see, I'm going to need parentheses for the a minus 2, and my a is 1. And then I need my g of 1, so I have a plus 2, and my a is 1. Okay, 1 minus 2, negative 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Hey, Parker, are you playing music or playing video? Video? Are you winning? No? You were watching a video. Oh, a good one, or want to share it? Is it good? Or is it not, like, appropriate? Jimmy Fallon. Was it good? Just asking. That's all. Huh? Number 14. We're dividing. So the g of x is 3x. Can't see. Well, put your glasses on. 3x divided by the f of x is, oh wait, we're multiplying, aren't we? Well, sorry, my fault, big shot. We're multiplying the f of x, which is 2x plus 1. Anybody else watching any cool videos? The what? Good? No, I meant, while I'm doing examples in class. Oh, playing games? What kind of game? Are you winning? Huh. Well, just as long as it's, as long as it doesn't take your attention away from my work here. Oh, okay. I don't want to disturb you. All right. 3x times 2x, 6x squared. 3x times 1 is 3x. Well, we're going to do the division one next, right? 14. T of A. So we don't have to evaluate. T of A is a squared plus 1. And we're going to divide it by, uh-oh, got my pen. I'm going to divide it by the h of a, which is 2a minus 5. Can I simplify this? Huh? Can I? No. You're correct. I cannot simplify. However, it says identify any domain restrictions. Do I have any domain restrictions? I beg to differ with you. What can't equal 0? Yeah, my 2a minus 5 cannot equal 0. So we have to figure out what a is. Ooh, what are you watching? Hey, What are you watching? Nothing? Doesn't look like nothing. Looks like a cool video. All right, let's solve for A. Let's see, let's add 5 to both sides. So 2A equals 5. Then we're going to divide by 2. So what can A not equal? All reals except A cannot equal 5 halves. There's my domain restriction, and here's the answer to the problem. Wait, what? Wait. What?
Not equal that. Yeah, it's equal to. A is literally says A equals 5, like half, and A not equal 5 half. But it does equal.
Right. I was finding out what it can't equal here.
But it does.
So if I set them equal and find out what A equals, then I know in my domain it cannot equal that.
Put that right there on the paper, then like how can it not? Yeah, right there.
If it equals, I don't want it to equal that. Okay. What do you mean? How did she explain it? Oh, do you want me to do this? Does that help? I don't know. Correct. Oh, that's exactly what I said. Guys, you're playing a video game. Number 16. Let's see, the h of n. The h of n is n squared minus 2n. It's going to be divided by the d of n, which is 2n. Can I simplify this? Yes, I can. How can I simplify this? Huh? With more? Yeah, I could. Well, I can't just get rid of the 2n. If I had a 2 here, I could. Huh? I can't cross anything out. I could take out an n because I've got 2 terms on top. Okay? So if I take out an n, it would have to be from every term, which I can do. Okay? Another way to think about this, if I factor out an n in my numerator, now I've got all multiplication here, right? So now I'm down to 1 term. Now I can cross out my n's, or I could have just crossed out an n on every term. Either way. So I'm left with n minus 2 over 2. That's as far as I can go. Now, do I have any domain restrictions? What cannot equal 0? The denominator, right? Well, my denominator doesn't equal 0, does it? Can it ever equal 0? No, so there are no domain restrictions. None. Yeah. Yes, you are. I know there's one student that's going to write it because they're going to be just a super student. Oh, shut up and play with your video game. Number 18. Composite functions. Ooh, this is the more funner, best stuff. Okay, so we have the f of g of -4. So what do we have to do first? What do we have to do first? Innermost parentheses, right? What do we do first? That's right. Find the G of 4. Negative 4. What? Are you good? I'd rather have you use an axe or a knife or something. Okay, negative 4. I suppose I'm gonna have to dump this recording too. G of negative 4 equals, let's see, x squared plus x. See, I have to put in negative 4 for x. Negative 4 squared is 16, plus a minus is a minus 4, which equals 12. So, for the g of negative 4, I have to substitute in 12. So I end up with the f of 12. Okay, so I have 2, my x times x minus 4, and I have to substitute in 12 for x. So I get 24 minus 4, which equals 20. So this composite function, the f of g of negative 4, equals 20. Got it? Wonderful. Well, you messed up. Okay, so we start with the innermost function, which is g of 8. So I have to find the g of 8. The g function, negative 2, times x plus 3. And for the x, I have to substitute in 8. Okay, negative 2 times 8 is negative 16 plus 3 equals negative 13. So I'm going to replace the g of 8 with negative 13. So I have the h of negative 13 equals negative 3 times an x minus 3. Are you with me? Huh? Okay, so negative 13 goes in for x. Negative 3 times negative 13 be positive 39 minus 3, which is 36. Okay, so the h of g of 8 is 36. Questions, comments, concerns? Now, you got a quiz, what, Thursday? Did you work on the quiz review yet? No? A little bit? There any problems you want me to go over on that? Now, we're going to go over the whole thing on Wednesdays. Pardon me? No, today's pretty much the work day because you had this done. This was homework, right? So just do the odds now.